too because Joey doesn't. So I end up trying to let him out. And then they only two do it, right? Oh no.
Yeah.
Too bad we don't have another train going under him now.
Yeah.
About 4,600 linear feet long. So it's a single track through the tunnel, and as soon as it comes out of the tunnel,
doing vertical video?
Yeah.
I almost made up a long train today. About a mile long. Yeah, you missed out because I was just going to back up the train upstairs to get the caboose. It'd be a straight line shot, like to get the caboose here,
Yeah.
and the switch here wouldn't work at all. So I had to pull the train forward and do a bunch of zigzagging to get it. Trying to focus on it. I saw a square pop up and disappear. I don't know if you set your focus or not. Just remember on YouTube, it gets kind of boring watching the whole train go by in one spot.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes it look like the train's going by real fast. Signal green. Green light. Caboose goes by, you ought to rotate the camera like you're standing there following the caboose go by. And let go. That way it's just like a real guide. When they do it, they go, oh, it's gone. Well, you can see many of these here are weathered to make them look like 10 to 20-year-old cars. Most of them. Some of them are just plain old sprayed with solvent, different kinds of solvent. I mean, a very light mist. Try to get the original paint that's on the cars to just rule the hair, you know. Or that blue Golden West, you can see that you spray it just enough, it puts a stain on it.
Yeah.
And that's salt. Using different little things, not even paint. But the graphite works great on white cars. Well, I wonder if my locomotive is going to uncouple. The coupler would be pretty terrible going by here. Between the first and second locomotive. Close! I'll make it up to the